2015 Dodge Ram pickup, all keys lost. Does this need to go to the dealership? Should we tow it? No. Let's show you how a locksmith fixes that problem. Right off the bat, I get my 608. We know what that noise is. Houston, we have power. Let's put in one of these fobs and let's turn this ignition, just because. You can see here that this fob will not start it. Let's fix that problem. 608, immobilizer. We accept. We're going to a Dodge, D-O-D. There it is. We want to do auto selection and hit OK. We want to read the VIN number first. We're going to go ahead and read that, and I'm not going to show that to you. Okay, we don't have a smart key. We have a FOBIK. Now it shows right here, it's a 2015 Ram. Yes, okay. It says turn off the ignition. Turn the hazards on. Booyah, hazards are blinking. Okay. Okay, it just read the password. I'm not going to show that to you either. Now the current number of keys is 0. Okay, place the unprogrammed FOBIK into the key ignition. Make sure the ignition is in the lock position. Okay, we have one in there and it is in the lock position. Do we want to continue? Yes, we do. 60 seconds, it said. That was really fast. Do we want to learn another one? Yes, we do. Remove this key. And let's put in the new one. Don't turn it on. Make sure the ignition is off. It's thinking. Still thinking. 2, do we want the next one? No, we don't. Okay, it says we're done. Here is the test. Let's pull this guy out. Let's stick it back in. Here we go. What? You see that little red light there? It's gone. It's working. But wait, you showed me 2 keys earlier. Let's do the next one. Let's shut this key fob off and let's check this. Oh my goodness. Okay, here's the next one. Let's check this before we even do it. Unlock, lock. Oh yeah. Here we go. The test. There's the security light and it left the building. Okay, now we have the 3D Elite opened up. We have to cut the mechanical key for that vehicle right there. Let's do it. We're going automotive. We're going Dodge. We're going Ram. Whoops. Ram. We're going 1500. And we're going 2015. And we are going a FOBIK key. And do I have a code? Yes, I do. And I'm going to put that code right up here. Okay, tip stop that key. Let's cut it. So typically at this point, I cut a steel mechanical key, but due to the fact that I have the code, I'm going to go ahead and cut the key that goes inside the fob. But it's always best practice to cut a mechanical key because they're really inexpensive. That way, if you have to cut multiple keys, you're not ruining the one that goes into the key fob. Back to our regularly scheduled programming. Flip the key over and do it again. Please work, please work, please work, please work. So people want to know, they usually ask, how do you get the code for it? I use this cool tool right here. I stick it in and out, in and out, in and out, up and down, up and down, up and down. Don't be nasty. And then I decode that lock, which gives me the cuts for the key. And that is how you get these to work in that when that doesn't have any of these. Real locksmith work. Learn the business. Locksmithblueprint.com.